Have you ever wondered why humans actually yawn? Most people think yawning means you're just tired or bored. But scientists believe yawning may actually help cool your brain. When your brain temperature rises, it becomes less efficient. A yawn increases blood flow and brings in cooler air. This process may help regulate your brain's temperature. That could explain why we yawn more when we feel sleepy. Interestingly, yawning is also contagious among humans. Even seeing someone yawn can trigger your brain to respond. So the next time you yawn, your brain might just be cooling itself.